Penguins are basically dudes in tuxedos, but with zero balance. These little guys waddle around like they just left the bar at 3 a.m. And when they dive, boom, suddenly Olympic swimmers. They can hold their breath for 20 minutes, bro. Longer than most of us last on a treadmill. And here's the funny part. To find love, male penguins give their crush a rock. Yeah, like, here babe, I got you this pebble. If she likes it, boom, relationship locked. No roses, no chocolates, just a shiny rock. Honestly, kinda smart. And hey, if you think penguins are smooth operators, drop a like and hit subscribe. It's free, just like the pebble gift.